everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to create a sloped ceiling with a skylight by using Create New Product tool. First we will switch to 3D mode. Now double click on the wall where you want to create your slope. Now we click on Create New Product tool and we will start with the rectangle. Choose a height for your slope. Now with push and pull, give it some depth. Now by using the pen tool, create your slope. Now with push and pull tool, we will remove this part. Now we can resize it. Now we will create our skylight. First, I will measure it out with my ruler tool. Now I will create a rectangle by using the pen tool. I will remove my ruler by using trim tool. Now by using push and pull, I will create a cavity for my skylight. Now with an offset, I will create a frame for my window. Now we click on Done in the top right corner of your screen. Now we will switch to 2D and we will lower this wall. Remember to select partial wall. Now we will lower our slope and we will apply invisible material on our ceiling and also on the top of our slope and on the back of our slope. We can bring it up again. Now we can apply texture for our window frame and the glass material for our window. Now your sloped ceiling with a skylight is ready. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!